Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Crystal Vu mask. So this is a sort of 3-windowed mask. You've got these sort of side peripheral windows, and because they're flat, they actually open up your field of vision, so you can actually see a lot sideways compared to a lot of traditional masks. So overall, it's kind of a sort of a bulky mask because of those side windows. It has to have this kind of frame design, which makes it a little bit bigger, and it doesn't pack down flat like a lot of other masks. But with that sort of benefit of those side windows, realistically, you're going to store it in its box and it's not going to take up that much space. So it's not a big sort of down point to me. The pros definitely outweigh the cons. So big open sort of front window, and this is tempered glass as well, so very, very strong. And then you have 2 side windows either side of it, and they just open up your peripheral window so you can sort of see sideways. In between that, we've got our nose pocket, so a nice amount of space between the two, so you can actually get to that even with gloves, so you can still equalize nice and easily. Now, the buckle itself of the strap is attached to the frame, but it's attached via this tiny section of silicone inside of that. So actually it does flex and move. So that means that sort of mask strap can sit exactly where you want it to on the back of your head. Now, micro adjustment strap, so you can pull it and make lots of little adjustments. Pinch on these 2 little buttons either side of the buckle, and then you can lengthen that strap off so you can get it exactly as tight as you want. Never over tighten a mask because that can cause it to leak, but with this you can get it just right so it's nice and comfortable. Big old mask strap on the back of it, and this kind of creates a sort of rounded shape to the back, so that's going to cradle the back of your head. It's going to grab onto the back of your head or on the back of your hood and sort of stick in position. And then inside the mask we can see, one, it's got quite a large internal volume because of those side windows again, which just means it's going to sort of require a little bit more equalization as you go down. You're going to exhale a bit into it, not the end of the world. If it does flood, you're just going to have to sort of purge a little bit more water. Again, not the end of the world, but something sort of worth considering. Now the skirt itself has a double seal, so we have this external seal and then an internal seal. That just means you get a very wide sort of seal all the way around your face that traps the air inside and keeps the water out. And because it's kind of spreading all that sort of tension, it's not going to apply too much pressure to your face, so it's going to stay nice and comfortable. So all in all, it is a nice mask, but it is a big mask, something worth considering. But I definitely recommend these kind of side peripheral windows. They do make a world of difference. You can see something coming. If your buddy's a little bit close, you can see them before someone with a sort of more traditional mask would see them. This is the Scubapro Crystal Vu mask. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.